अरबाज खान पहुंचे सोनाक्षी सिन्हा की मॉम पूनम सिन्हा के साथ एक बुक लॉन्च इवेंट पर और यहां अरबाज ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए बताया कि कैसे उनका पूरा खानदान इन्वॉल्व्ड है इन राइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट्स।
Yeah, he does. I think, Salman also, like I said, influences a lot on his films. Dialogues लिखना और कुछ चीजें suggest करना. Like I said, he's written scripts earlier also. Some of the films like Baghi, Chandramukhi, and all those films. I don't know, some films that they were completely written by him, or they was like mainly the writer of those films. तुमको ना भूल पाएंगे. All these films were films where Salman had a lot as his writer to do with them. Most of his films he contributes a lot in terms of adding a line, a dialogue, a situation. Like जो हमारी फिल्म में जो सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस डायलॉग हुआ था कि छेदी सिंह हम तुम्हें इतने छेद करेंगे, that is Salman's contribution to his character.
अरे यहाँ तो अरबाज ने सलमान की राइटिंग स्किल्स डिफाइन कर दी, पर देखा जाए तो सलमान ने जिस फिल्म में उनकी राइटिंग का इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिखाया है वो फिल्में बॉक्स ऑफिस पर फ्लॉप साबित हुई हैं। पर इसी से बात आती है कि सलमान खान ने ऐसी कई इलॉजिकल फिल्में की हैं, बट हियर अगेन हिज ब्रदर अरबाज डिफेंड्स हिम सेइंग दैट
Disagree with that. I think there are far more actors whose films have defied common sense. I mean to say, Rajni sir would be one, definitely, of them. We've got great respect for him. But if you think that is common sense, then I don't know what. and why Govinda has done so many films that defy common sense, yeah. But they were entertaining films. It's not necessary that films have to be extremely logical. It's like films, this is one very important aspect about even films that we should talk about. Why are only intellectually stimulating films considered good films or great films? Stuff that David Dhawan has done over the years, it's not easy, or Manmohan Desai ji has done, or whoever has, this kind of stuff is not easy stuff.
Well, we may agree to this point, but then again, the audience crave for intelligence in films. Talking about films, let us know from Arbaz about his upcoming projects. और यहाँ बात आती है दबंग 3 को लेकर, जहाँ न्यूज आई थी कि apparently Arbaz won't be producing the film, to which the actor cum director cum producer clarified, stating that
so it's like कैसे हो सकता है?
हाँ, तो
रैप करनी है फिर?
नहीं, तो इसीलिए मैं जानना चाहती थी।
नहीं, जब obviously we are going to produce the film, मतलब इसके ऊपर से एक question mark ये था कि whether I'll direct the film. So that as of now मैं करने वाला हूँ, but like I said, जब दबंग 2 मैं कर रहा था, तो acting, directing, producing, सब चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना थोड़ा ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है, तो the stress is a little too much. वैसे भी फिल्म की शूट से पहले इतना काम हो जाता है कि maybe at that point in time that I might not be at the helm of affairs as a director. हो सकता है if I feel that there's somebody who जिसके साथ मेरी ट्यूनिंग हो कि भैया चल आजा तू मेरे साथ बैठ, we'll work on the script whatever and तू direct कर ले. But if I feel it's too much of a stress, if I feel कि चलो ठीक है कर सकता हूँ तो maybe I'll do it. But as of now only that department is open कि maybe somebody else might direct the film.
चलिए देखते हैं, अगर ऐसा हो तो फिर बॉलीवुड का कौन सा फेमस डायरेक्टर आता है ऑन बोर्ड फॉर दिस एपिक फिल्म्स अपकमिंग सीरीज। फॉर अभिषेक सिंह, Zoom, Mumbai।